Whiteboard-of-Thought uses a metaphorical whiteboard for multimodal model reasoning. Researchers from Columbia University published a paper introducing Whiteboard-of-Thought, a method for multimodal models, where the core idea is to prompt models with a metaphorical whiteboard that illustrates reasoning steps visually. This approach helps in simplifying complex AI developments, making it accessible and informative for a broad audience. The multimodal outputs provide valuable insights into the model's understanding of different concepts and contexts. AutoDraw is an innovative drawing tool that utilizes machine learning and artwork from talented artists to enable users to create stunning visuals with ease. This tool allows anyone, regardless of their artistic abilities, to produce professional-looking drawings in a matter of minutes. The drawing tool's AI engine automatically suggests shapes, lines, and colors based on the user's input, making it an ideal solution for individuals who are short on time or not skilled artists. SLM and vision integration into everyday devices. Phi Silica mini derivative, Phi Silica, is designed for integration into devices like smartphones and smartwatches. This innovative technology aims to simplify complex AI developments by providing a custom-built Phi Silica chip for neural processing units shipping inbox. The Phi 3 mini derivative is an energy-efficient, low-power consumption processor that enables seamless interactions between humans and machines. It's designed for integration into devices like smartphones, smartwatches, and other IoT devices, making AI more accessible and user-friendly for a broader audience. Roblox is building towards 4D generative AI, which involves going beyond single 3D objects to dynamic interactions. This technology allows for the creation of more complex and realistic simulations. The application of 4D generative AI can be seen in the development of games, movies, and virtual worlds. Techniques used in 4D generative AI include machine learning, computer vision, and physics-based simulations. Video generation models can only generate silent output. A new breakthrough in video-to-audio technology makes synchronized audio-visual generation possible. The DeepMind V2A technology combines video pixels with natural language text prompts to generate rich soundscapes for the on-screen action. Comparable with video generation models like V2A can create shots with a dramatic score, realistic sound effects, or dialogue that matches the characters and tone of a video. D-Wave's new hybrid quantum solver is designed to solve complex optimization problems more efficiently than traditional methods. The solver supports up to 2 million variables and constraints, with a 10-fold increase in problem size capacity over other D-Wave solvers for certain applications, according to preliminary benchmarking studies. It is part of D-Wave's expanding set of commercial quantum optimization offerings, supporting the company's aggressive go-to-market growth strategy announced earlier this year.